I'll turn that down. This is just a little video adding onto my phone to show a friend. But I got this Sync 2 system at a junkyard for free. Since the screen and all that was busted, the guy didn't know if it actually worked. And I decided I'm just going to try it to see what the heck. It came out of I think a 2015 Ford Fiesta. The whole front end was smashed and the whole windshield was caved in. So I think on the Ford Fiesta it sits up here. Well, the whole dash was shifted upwards, so it was shoved into the window. As you can tell, the screen shattered. But I just now plugged it in to see if it actually works. Also, you can't tell on the screen since it is shattered, but I am getting power to it, it looks like. And there was some light. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I seen like a blue light when I first started up right here on there, but I'll turn the volume up so you guys can hear it.
Done this, haven't we? A few years now. Here's awesome.
What happened? Huge savings at the.
But everything works on this here. I got at the junkyard too. I believe it was $10 or something like that. It came out of a 13 Fusion on it. So I just got this plugged in just to see if it works also too. But everything on it, this heated seats, I don't know, my car don't have heated seats, so that probably also won't work unless I enable it with full scan. Yeah, but everything on it, I believe will work if you turn it on. Yeah, so it recognizes circulation, AC, everything on this thing here. Maybe the back to front. Oh, maybe I gotta start the car. Let's see. You're finding out the same way as I am. I just now play this. Yep, it all works on it. Temperature, I can't see the temperature because also the screen's busted, but I can find out through here if my temperature thing, yeah, so it works, my temperature thing does. So eject the CD, that probably all works too on there, but oh yeah, there it goes, the heated seats one. I do not have heated seats. I probably might get an error code when I look on full scan about the heated seats. I think I can actually disable this too where it doesn't work, therefore somebody don't think, oh look, you got heated seats, and start pushing and find out your seats does not heat up on it. But yeah, that's just a little video I just want to post on what I found at the junkyard. I also got a ton more parts that I got at the junkyard. But this here, I think I might try to resell it, or even maybe just throw it in my car. Like I said, it came off of 2013. This one here came out of a 15 Fiesta. Also, you can tell it's all beat up. And this is a Sync 2 system. What I just took out of mine is a Sync 3. So this is also good. I just switched it out just to find out if this actually works. So that's kind of nice that I just pulled apart thinking, hey, I don't know whether I'm going blind on it or not because the screen shattered, but what I'm really looking for is just the apim module. I can always replace the screen at no problem. So, but yeah, that's just a little video of what I found on it. If I can figure out how to upload like slideshow, I'll show a video of what that Fiesta looked like. I don't know if somebody died in that, but the whole dash was just shoved inwards and up on there. So, alright, well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.